Karachi Biscuits are here. Hello everyone, Ravneet Bhalla welcomes you back to her channel. Here's presenting millet cookies eggless with coconut flavor and tutti frutti. But before that, I have a story to tell. I grew millets at home and the sight of apne ghar ki kheti was eye-popping, and I literally started dreaming about how I will be using millets in my cookies. But the same day, an unwanted guest Aya and ate all my millets, and look at it. The way he's enjoying my millets. Oh my god. And this is a common sight here, and I have gotten used to it now. But कोई बात नहीं, फिर भी हमने millet cookies बनाए. Let us see how to make homemade millet cookies or Karachi biscuits. For this recipe you need 1/4 cup plus 2 tablespoons of jaggery powder, sifted jaggery powder, 1/4 cup of malai. If you don't want to use malai, you can use ghee. Then a pinch of salt goes in. Whip. You don't need to whip it too much, otherwise this mix will curdle. We don't want it to curdle. Leave it. Now add half cup of homemade coconut flour or coconut powder, and this coconut powder is fat free. Half cup of millet, little millet flour, homemade again. I have already posted videos on how to make coconut flour at home, how to make millet flour at home. Please do check those videos. I'll be posting the links in description. Now the idea is just to mix everything together. And yes, we have not used any liquid in this recipe because malai is itself a liquid. Tutti frutti without heating goes in, and I'll be posting the recipe soon if you want. This is colorless tutti frutti and this is without heating. So do let me know in comments if you want me to post this recipe. This is totally amazing. Now let's grease another dish just like this box. This is a tiffin box of my husband, and it is as old as my husband, almost 2 years younger to my husband. And yes, then press it with hands, press the dough with hands, refrigerate for at least 30 to 60 minutes, and then it will be easy to cut shapes because these are millet biscuits, so cutting shapes will be difficult otherwise, but you can still do it. I have already shown in many videos how to make millet biscuits. If you don't want to follow this process, you can follow those videos as well, but I found it really helpful. A new technique that I have come up with. Preheat air fryer at this stage to 160 degrees Celsius for 5 minutes, and if you want to bake in oven OTG convection, you can preheat them at this stage for 10 minutes. Now remove in your baking dish, and for me it is always, my cookies are always in air fryer, so this is my air fryer basket, stainless steel air fryer basket. Now let us bake millet cookies at 160 degrees Celsius for 15 to 20 minutes. And remember, these are malai biscuits, so you will need to check whether they are done within 16 and 18 minutes. If not, please bake them further. And they were literally delicious gluten-free Karachi biscuits that you will enjoy. You will enjoy the tutti frutti as well inside these. I hope you enjoyed this recipe of crispy millet cookies without maida. If you do, please like, share and subscribe. Stay safe, stay blessed, take care, bye bye, see you soon.